Hello, this is Mr. Brunt, and I'm going to talk to you through the GCSE 3D design course. The following slides are going to give you more information about this option. So the 3D product design course focuses upon the design, prototyping and modelling or making of primarily functional and aesthetic products and objects, drawing upon intellectual, creative and practical skills. So if you enjoy designing and making practical 3D products using predominantly woods, metals and plastics, then this course is a good course for you to choose. The 3D design course is designed to provide you with the opportunities to develop your design and practical skills, knowledge and understanding over broad-based themes during the first half of Year 10. You'll be given the freedom to select from a range of starting points before generating 3D products from ideas produced in your sketchbook and on paper. You will develop skills, knowledge and understanding in working with a wide range of materials such as woods, metals, plastics, composites and found materials. You'll use a wide range of 3D techniques and practical processes to realise your outcomes, such as modelling, construction, surface treatment and assembling. Research into existing artists' and designers' work is an important part of the course and is often set as homework tasks. The lessons tend to be mainly focused on design and practical based work. So how are you assessed on this course? Well, the assessment is broken down into two parts. We have the coursework, which is worth 60%. Now, when you start the course, you'll be doing a variety of design and make projects. The first of those tend to be more teacher-led, and then during the summer term you'll start a major project which, along with other selected pieces of work from earlier in the course, will form your portfolio. That's worth 60% of the final GCSE. This work, as I said, will start at the start of Year 10 and will continue throughout the whole of the year, span the summer holidays and conclude during November of Year 11. This will be design work, research, development work and the practical outcomes that you make. The second part of the assessment is an externally set assignment which is worth 40%. The externally set assignment starts in January of Year 11 and comprises the remaining 40% of the course. This is primarily a practical unit of work informed by research and investigations into artists and designers whose practice relates to a theme, and these themes have been set by the exam board, so you will have to choose a theme that's set. This will be in January of Year 11, and then you will carry out your research, your design work, your development work, and then the practical outcome, the finished piece, will be manufactured in an exam, but this exam is done in the DT workshop, so it's a practical exam. The whole of this course, there's only one tier and mixed ability groups covering grades 9 to 1. Now these next slides go through examples of some of the work. Now there are 4 assessment objectives. The first one focusing upon research into the topic, research into the theme of the project, looking at existing designers' work and artists' work, and analysing existing products to inspire your designs. So the research section is the first assessment objective. Then we have design ideas, so a range of freehand sketching, more accurate presentation drawings. We also incorporate computer-aided design, and this is about using your research to inspire your designs and communicating your ideas to other people. So it's really important that students enjoy designing, enjoy drawing, because that's going to form a big part of the project work. Once students have decided upon an idea, then we develop that idea and we develop it through modelling, prototyping, practicing with the different materials and different manufacturing methods, getting lots of photo evidence, evaluating that and writing it up in the sketchbook. You'll be practicing different finishing techniques, different manufacturing processes. Not everything's going to be successful first time, so we want to evidence through the folder the journey which students are going from their initial design through to the final outcome. and then when we finish the final outcome, we evaluate it and see how successful it's been, see if there's ways we could improve it even more. So this slide shows photos of students carrying out various practical activities during the course. Once they've produced their designs for the products, they then obviously need to use a variety of different tools and machines in the workshops to manufacture the final product. We make good use of our heat treatment area, and one of the projects which the students do in Year 10 involves using the chip forge, and here we can see some students creating twists and scrolls in metal for a candle holder project, which we do in Year 10. And here are some of the examples of some of the different candle holders that have been produced using ForgeWork techniques. This all forms part of the coursework element, which is 60% of the final grade, and you can see these students have been using a variety of different processes, different practical skills to produce some high quality functional candle holders. Another project is a portable speaker project where the students have a mono amplifier kit, and they then need to design and manufacture a speaker, some form of carcass to contain the circuit, so we've got a functioning product. And we also incorporate some computer-aided design work in this for them to produce their accurate high quality design drawings. This slide shows a range of concrete lamps that were designed and manufactured by students for part of their coursework. All of these involve the students making a mould that they could pour the concrete into. Some of them incorporated techniques like using the 3D printer for printing shades. We've got some lithophane with the, you can see the picture of the owl. Little LED circuit that shines through. And again, this is an opportunity for students to be very creative in what they're producing. So students will learn how to use CAD software, and on the left side we've got some examples of some the CAD modelling skills, and then once they produce the CAD model, we're able to use our 3D printers that we got in school to print out a variety of parts of products that could be used in their coursework. So again, another skill, another technique which they're learning through Year 10 and then putting into practice in the projects which they're producing.